Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to create a text box and use it in Microsoft Excel. To do this guys, just select insert in your Microsoft Excel, and then in 2016 variant you will have this second last option, text. After clicking on this, you have this text option. Just click on that and you'll have your cursor control where you can click and write whatever you want. Like I'm selecting here, and just after clicking, you can write anything that you want. And then you have this format tab where you can edit the shape. Like here, this shape is rectangular, so you can edit it. You can fill or you can add any effect. Okay. Similarly, the text which is in this box, you can select and click on this word art and you can change its style. Also guys, you can change the font style or anything related to this font by just clicking on this home and using this font group like this way. Okay, here you can change the size and the font. So this was the video on text box. That's all for today guys. Thank you.